Hey guys, this is Tim from Arcana Networks. I'm going to be showing a feature where you can use MEVO to import non-DMVPN devices and use all of our different tools to manage them. So to do so, I'm going to click on this devices page. I'm going to go to More Actions, Import Spokes, and I'm going to select my CSV file, which includes all the IP addresses of the devices that I want to add to MEVO. You can download a template of the CSV by clicking on this button. I will show you mine here. I'm only adding one device today, and that is the VLAN 10 address on my router. Oops, right here. Okay, I'm going to add this as a teleworker. I need to provide the username and password to get into my device, and I need to provide the SNMP details that are on my device. Once I hit next, MEVO will try to SSH to the device, and if it's successful, it will add it into MEVO. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to add my device to a group. I am using a brand new fresh MEVO server, so it's not too important that I do this, but this is something that you will probably want to do, as this can be a way for you to filter and view different device types and be able to sort the different types of devices that you'll be adding to your MEVO server. So I'm just going to call this routers. And what I will do now is I'll show you different ways that we can manage the device. Now, we have a lot of different videos on this devices page where you can go to this operation tab and run any of these different device operations on the device, such as applying templates, doing backups, doing iOS upgrades, reloading the device. So what we'll do is we'll do an apply template. Now we're going to do it a little bit different since we already have an apply templates video. What we're going to do is we're going to apply the template on an event. For example, suppose this router is offline and we're pushing updates to it, and because the router is offline, it didn't receive the update. We can schedule an event in MEVO so that when MEVO next detects this router as being online, it will automatically push that update to the router. So first, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Configuration Templates to make an update for my router. I'm going to make this very simple, just so that we can see the change in the device. All this is going to do is it will change the host name of my device to iChanged. So I've added this template. Now I'm going to go to Configuration Events. I'm going to add a new event. Because this is not a traditional DMVPN CVO setup, I'm going to do the FlexVPN connection. I'm going to select my group, and I'm going to select the routers group that I created. I'm going to find that hostname template. I'll hit save. Okay, so now what we'll do is I'm going to go to my router. And my router is connected to the MEVO server through this Tunnel 235 interface. So if I shut this interface, we'll wait a few seconds for the eGroup adjacency to go down. We will wait for the crypto settings to say that the tunnel has gone down. And then now, if I no shut the interface, once this tunnel comes back up, and once MEVO detects that the router is now reachable again, MEVO should SSH to our device, and it should apply that new template to our device. And as we can see from some of these syslog messages, indeed, our change has been put on the device.